predates my working days, and since somewhere in the 90s, let's just pretend that this was a little tiny bit ago instead of a nightmare-inducing decades ago. That makes me feel old. So most of the dialogue I'm putting here is more of what kind of happened rather than any real memory of actual words being said. Anyway, I was literally pre-job young, maybe 15, 16, putting a bookworm, gift cards, new technology at the time, no longer made out of paper, to my local Barnes & Noble for like diamonds before a dragon. Haha, mine. Since my family really liked encouraging my bookworm tendencies, a horde of birthday/Christmas gift cards could easily run over $100. You can well imagine that I was one of those people who wish they had a real, full-on shopping cart to fill, but sadly not to be offered in a bookstore. Still, there was pretty much, at least I thought, no way to be mistaken for an employee. I had no uniform, no name tag, a fanny pack around my waist. My baby face meant that I probably looked around 12 and was carrying a basket of books I was planning to purchase. I even stopped frequently to read the summary on the inside cover or on the back. I'd amassed a weighty collection to satisfy my bookworm heart when another customer comes up to me. While this predates the Karen phenomenon, also by a goodly bit, I shall still refer to her as Karen. Karen, can you tell me where to find insert obscure book title here? Me. I can't. I'm not an employee. You can ask at the information desk, though. I point out the information desk, which is like 15 feet away. I don't want to walk that far. Just tell me where it is. Lady, I don't work here. I didn't ask for excuses. I said to tell me where the book was. All right, congratulations. We've left all sense of reality here, folks. The one clear-as-day thing I remember flitting through my teenage mind was, I didn't ask if it was possible. I said to do it, in a whiny adult voice. And I told you that I didn't know. I walk away and select another book that catches my interest. Side note, my mom would turn me loose in bookstores and go hunting for books of her own. This left me to freely hit up the children's section, the young adult section, and the adult sci-fi/fantasy sections to my heart's content. So sadly, she wasn't close by to mama bear her way through this. Karen. Hello? Excuse me? Hello? 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 She follows me down the aisle, yelling and banging her fist on the shelving. Lady, I don't freaking work here. Ask a freaking employee. I was being good. I didn't even drop any F-bombs yet at this age. Kind of wish I had, looking back. So this woman goes ballistic on me. I've lost all coherent memory of her screeching mouth words, just a memory of a manager who arrives at a dead run, probably thinking somebody was getting murdered. Karen, this little bee needs to learn how to treat paying customers better. I will not be disrespected by some minimum wage snot-nosed brat. The manager looks at me, looks at Karen, then says, Ma'am, this is not one of our employees. She's obviously too young. I didn't ask for excuses. She was rude to me and I won't stand for it. You fire her right now or I'm calling your corporate office. There's that disconnect with reality again. I didn't ask if rocks floated. I said make them float, screeches the imaginary woman in my teenage mind. And while you're at it, I'm sick of water being wet all the time. Manager, to me, you're fired. Disgust and loathing rolled through me, and I gave that manager a full dose of teenage attitude in a single look. He wouldn't even meet my eyes. The Karen strutted off like it was her birthday, and I got a tiny, weak 10% coupon for the trouble. To this day, decades later, having worked my time in the retail trenches, my hatred of this manager grows ever stronger. I firmly believe that this was the Queen Karen, and all other Karens that have spawned since are her descendants, created by spineless pandering for retail managers just like that manager. This isn't your pizza, man. In our area, there are no zoning laws, so we have homeowners associations, HOAs. That way a bar can't be built next door to your dream house. You pay an annual fee and there are amenities like maybe a park or a pool. The HOA contracts with the company for lifeguarding and pool cleaning to avoid liability. Here's the cast. LG is my daughter, the lifeguard. Lifeguard is any of the other lifeguards working that day. Karen, she's lived here forever and is getting you fired. KH is Karen's hubby. Junior is Karen's 4-year-old son. IF is innocent family. Setting. It's a beautiful summer morning.